be a morning like this, right?
Whew, look at that boat. Could you imagine what the inside looks like? I think I could live on a boat like that. Could you?
This is pretty cool, you guys. So I'm fishing over here at Cape Canaveral, and look what's coming in. Falcon 9.
Do you know what that is?
I look over there, and I'm like, wait a minute. There's no tower over there. There's just a jetty. See if I can't get some video when it comes up closer.
All the tugs started to head out to meet them. They help navigate the larger ships through the port.
This ship, Bob, is one of SpaceX's 2 multi-purpose recovery ships. Its identical sister ship is Doug. The 2 are designed for both fairing and booster recovery operations. Now that's a heavy-duty chain. Behind this is SpaceX's drone ship. An autonomous spaceport drone ship is an ocean-going vessel made from a deck barge. It's outfitted with position-keeping engines and a large landing platform, and is autonomously positioned when on station for a rocket landing. This is a Falcon 9 rocket booster on the pad. There's not many places where you can sit on the beach, fish, and see a rocket booster that's been up in space come cruising by. But it's totally normal for the space coast of Florida. Still, it kind of blows my mind that they can launch these and then have them land back on these small pads. Amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe next time I'll actually catch a fish on my fishing channel. Got the big skunk the last few trips. Until next time, everyone.